finally opened the JPM Museum.
Hi, my name is JP Chin. Welcome to the JPM collection.
We're gonna do an exclusive tour to JPM Museo, which means there will be a tour guide gonna bring you around and talk to you about all the cars that we have. And all you need to do is go to jpmlamoda.com to buy our limited edition merchandise kit, and with that you get a free museum tour. And what do you get from the JPM limited edition kit? You'll get the shirt that says you visited JPM collection. This is a special shirt for the tour only. You will get a cap, you get a lanyard, you get stickers, you get a lot of other things that's probably popping up beside me, all for 180 ringgit early bird price, 250 when it's not. And with that, you get a free museum tour. You'll be joining a tour on the Japanese car section, race car section, movie car section, German car section, Italian car section, British car section, classic American car section, vintage car, a lot. And we'll be selling other merchandise as well. We just produced 2 new t-shirts, which one that says I only have few Bugattis, which is the 4 Bugattis that we have, and the other one is eat, sleep, collect and repeat. And we'll be selling Sparko shoes, up to 50% discount on that day itself. And this will be a gaming room, and what games we're gonna play? We're gonna play drill the tires out. I don't know what's the word called, but like the F1 thing when you talk. And we'll have a merchandise area at the back for you to buy stuff. And in this room, there will be a cafe for people to enjoy. It's for people who have joined the tour or not joined the tour. It can be accessible for free. You can come here, have a coffee and look at the cars that's parked outside. On top of that, if you're looking to buy some collectible cars, we have JPM Exotics for you. On that day, we'll showcase some few cars and they're all for you. And with that, we're gonna only open JPM Museum on the 8th, 9th of July and 29th and 30th of July. And these days, there will only be 3 sessions for the tour per day, so maximum 60 people. And first come, first serve. On 17 June, we're going to start selling the ticket on jpmlamoda.com. And if you can't get the tickets in time, it's okay, you can still come here to enjoy the cafe and see the cars that's placed outside. So, good luck.